So first thing is get your mask base. I'm using just a normal paper one. Next, grab something durable and bendy. I use thin Ava foam, but a lot of other things could work. Next, I have a pattern right here, which I use for the sides of the muzzle. It's a pretty simple shape, sort of a rectangle with a curve at the bottom. Anyways, you're gonna want to trace that out on your Ava foam or whatever you're using twice. So far, it should look a bit like this. By the way, it doesn't matter what your pattern is made of. As long as you can trace it and it's the shape you want, it's fine. Cut those guys out. Next, I don't have a pattern for this because it's such a simple shape, but draw out basically a long skinny rectangle. After that, cut it out and arrange your pieces in this kind of shape. The nose bridge and the left and right sides. Next, glue both sides to the nose bridge like so. But make sure to glue them at a slight angle to resemble a more realistic snout. Next, snip a tiny slit back into the muzzle where you glued. Do that on both sides. Now this is the tricky part. Fold the sides over the nose bridge to create the front of the snout. It may take some fiddling to make the perfect shape before you glue it. You might have some leftover nose bridge. You can just cut the hanging bit off and glue it down to reinforce the front. Now, cut a small curve in the back of the nose bridge to fit snug on the mask. Finally, you can trim anything you'd like to shape your snout. At last, glue your snout onto your base. This is what it looks like. Thanks for watching.